there, my name is and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I'm bringing you this emergency cryptocurrency update. Bitcoin against all the odds has shot up to $40,000. Absolutely incredible, against all the odds, against all the key market levels, against having any preliminary volume. Absolutely incredible. I mean, why am I looking happy? Well, reason number one, I did short it from one place. I'm going to show you right now my short, which got stopped out. But I'm happy because it's finally some kind of a short-term bullish sign for Bitcoin, and because I'm holding some Bitcoin now, so this move is far more profitable for me than the small loss that I've taken on my short trade. And here it is. Look at this move. Jesus, looks beautiful. I mean, it's just a 15-minute chart, but it's nonetheless, and we are finally seeing volume. And here was my 3 Bitcoin short that entry price was. So I've taken one of these false breaks, which look just simply beautiful. I think this was the one that I've taken. It went down into profit. Had like a profit of $2,200 at the bottom, and my take profit was lower, so I never met it. But here is my short. It closed with a loss of, well, together with all the commissions and stuff, I lost $375, which again, guys and girls, proper risk and money management. On the market, it goes against you with this kind of a move. Some people lose $5,000, I lose $375. And again, my short trade was like $100 and something thousand through 3 Bitcoin short. So it's not a small trade, it's not a huge trade, but nonetheless, it's not a small trade either. So without any further ado, let's get right into the charts. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing right now. And remember that if you want to be trading, longing or shorting Bitcoin, then look no further than Bybit. And down in the description of this video, you'll find a link to open a Bybit account and get up to $4,100 in free bonuses after your initial deposit. And remember, when you deposit money, once you've deposited the money, go to the rewards hub and claim all the amazing rewards. Okay, let's jump right into the price action. So right here, we are seeing this incredible move upward, and again, higher than this peak, which I've mentioned in my previous video, which was today. And please do hit the like on this video right now. Let's get to 1,500 likes. The previous video is going to 1,500 likes, and hopefully this one will get to 1,500 likes as well. So let's do this. Okay, so in the previous video, I've mentioned this area right here, this level being a very important one for us. Let me adjust this a little bit in a different way. So let's take a look. Yeah, so this level being very important because again, this was the highest peak that we had in this price section of going upward. So right now, this is what we're going to be testing, and we're retracing a little bit, but nonetheless, we've broken through this resistance with a lot of power. And remember, this resistance is actually from the daily falling wedge right here. And the important thing is that we are seeing some kind of a volume increase, but it's not really that big of a volume. I mean, we want to see something a bit more than that. But again, there is still time left in the day for the volume to accumulate. So we'll see what happens. Because if we are going to the hourly chart, this is looking really bullish. Again, remember, and I posted this on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, the verified account with a blue check mark, and do participate in the poll that I did on Twitter, because I'm really interested in what you guys are thinking, whether it's gonna be a fake out or we are actually finally breaking out. And again, we're gonna be able to judge by looking at the daily chart and where the daily chart, again, number one is the volume, and number two, where it's going to close. Because right now, as we are breaking through it, our target, as I mentioned before, is $40,500. And afterwards, if we see the volume and the breakout, this is where I'm gonna be considering a really big trade myself as well, with a wider stop, and just with an idea that this could be really an interesting turnaround as of right now. And let's quickly take a look at what's going on in the S&P 500, and we are still moving downwards, and Bitcoin is going upwards. So this, as I mentioned before in the previous video, is a bullish sign, but I didn't think it's going to be that bullish of a sign, and right now it's looking really, really nicely. Let's quickly take a look at the moving averages in the hourly chart and see that we found a lot of support in these moving averages right here, especially the 200-hour moving average, and we are just going upward from there, which is simply amazing. But if you're going to be longing Bitcoin, right now is not the best time to do it, in my personal opinion. If you were crazy enough and you've believed in the volume and actually longed it from here somewhere as an active trader, now you have your stop loss into profit, that's fine, keep it. But longing it as of right now could be a bit dangerous, in my personal opinion. Really want to see how this plays out, because again, we might end up seeing the same similar structure like we saw right here. So be very careful about this being simply a short squeeze. And even though we are seeing some volume, you have to keep in mind, let's take a look at the volume here, that we also saw some kind of a volume here. But actually, look at it. This is also a very good sign, because I didn't check it. I just ran to my office to record this video, guys and girls. So right here, we can see the volume at this one, and then we can also take a look at the volume at this break right here, which is actually almost double the size. This is a very bullish sign for Bitcoin. So let's see where it closes and what's going to happen next. But finally, some kind of a green day in the world of crypto, and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I make a new upload, because these are super important and always super urgent. So stay very careful. Currently our target is 40,500, and let's see if this is finally going to be our breakout out of this daily falling wedge. If it is, this is going to be potentially the bottom. This could be, if it's not going to become a fake out, then this is potentially our bottom, and we're going to be looking towards some kind of a bull run before the end of this cycle. So yes, very excited, super happy, and do let me know down in the comments if you're excited as well, and whether you've actually tried to short Bitcoin just the way I did, and hopefully you didn't lose very much just the way that I did. And always remember, stay smart, stay rich, and always stay happy. Thank you very much for watching. Thomas Krall, I'll see you in the next video. Cheerio!